All right, so we're going to be continuing with the squash painting, and I'm just going to paint for you for a few minutes so you can see how to proceed. So I'm just going to be working on this color here. I have my buff, and I want to paint in here. So now I'm just starting to refine the shapes that I see. Now I did a quick painting last time, and now I want to really start looking a little more carefully, making sure I have all the elements. I'm painting fairly thinly at this point, just mixing a lot of water with the paint. So I'm kind of building up layers of color. Again, it's going to be a process of applying color and then changing it and applying other colors and going back and forth. Okay, I want to warm up this area a bit, so I'm going to mix a little buff and burnt sienna. You'll notice as I change the colors, everything starts looking different. The colors look different when they're placed next to different colors. So when I add a more reddish background, everything's gonna be, again, looking a little bit different, but I'll probably go back 2 or 3 more times to change the background and change all the other colors. But I'm already excited about what's happening with the layering. And you can see that because I'm painting thinly at this point, you can see the colors underneath. Might just go in with a little red over the shadow. Especially this part. I get a little of that purpley quality here. This is a very subtle line, and then there's another subtle line here. Kind of more bright yellow over here and some reflected yellowish light. I wanted to capture that yellow color, but I do feel like I need to keep this dark, so I might go over again with a little purple. And you can see I'm just kind of putting little dabs of yellow around as I see it, just to kind of enrich the color. Quite a bit over here. When I say yellow, I'm meaning yellow ochre. This is very light. So I'm going to make it really light here so I can go back over it and have a little bit of better reflected light. So that's going to get darker, but for right now I'm going to let that dry so I can paint over it and add more. All right, that's the next step, and I'm just going to go through and keep refining my painting and probably work on it for another hour or two more. Okay, see you in the next video.